Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Get Test today. What's your name? My name, Thanh. How are you today? And
Good
what animal is it?
job. Child. Sister. Mom.
What number is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, how is the weather?
Sunny. Rainy. Cloudy. No.
Okay, very good. So that's the video on Let's Get Test today. Goodbye.